CBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast with meteorologist Jacob Dickey.
Right now, many of us have seen some showers pass on through the areas. Others have been left dry. That may very well change before this cold front comes on through, and even behind here. Tupelo, some darker clouds off to the west. Still, though, the winds are out of the south and west ahead of the front, and we're in the 70s. Temperatures will stay that way for only a little bit longer. That cold front now pushing through Boonville into the Tupelo area, Lee County, Pontotoc, down towards Bruce, Grenada, showing up on our radar there. Some of the showers and thunderstorms along and ahead of it are what we have to watch for, but there's still some rain behind it. I'm not concerned about that. Once the front passes on through, the severe threat is effectively over, and you will know when that front comes on through. Northwest winds will come between 10 to 20 miles an hour, bringing in a cold air mass. See those temperatures drop at least 10 degrees in a matter of minutes here. 72 in West Point, 67 in Calhoun City, already down to 54 in Oxford. That cold air is on the way. Now there's that narrow window of opportunity for a strong storm here for the next few hours. We'll say until about 9 o'clock until that front can push on through. Wind would be the main threat, maybe some quarter-sized hail. The spin-up tornado threat really looking very low. I'm not overly concerned about that, and even flooding, not a big deal for us here. Still have that slight risk for severe weather, level 2 out of 5 for our entire area. Really, though, where that front is, though, ahead of it is where we're concerned of. So some of our folks here in Corinth, Boonville, towards Oxford, Grenada, maybe done with that threat for the day, but still dealing with some of the scattered showers and storms. Again, that front is sliding through our area now here. We've got a stronger batch of storms off to the west, northwest of Jackson that may affect us, and some other storms out here to the east. But nothing's really materialized so far today. It's really struggled to produce any storms. The atmosphere is just held in place and kept things at bay. So that's a good thing. We're not having any problems with that here. We'll have to watch stuff for the next few hours. Futurecast seems to think that maybe some storms will form here in the next hour or two. And if this does happen, we'll watch to see if they're any bit of the stronger to severe side. But notice by 8, 9 o'clock, what chance for storms come through really pushes off to the south and east of our area. Still dealing with some scattered showers and storms, though, after that front. Those will just have some rain, maybe a little bit of lightning. Not concerned about any severe weather once that front pushes on through again. So that's good news for us here. We'll be drying things out overnight into Sunday morning, looking at maybe some sunshine back on the board. Not a lot of rain coming either. Maybe just enough to knock the pollen off the car and maybe keep it out of the air, but rainfall amounts under a quarter-inch. If we can get those storms to form, we may very well see some higher amounts, but I'm still questioning whether that will in fact happen. What will happen, though, temperatures are going to drop, and they will drop like a rock. We are into the 40s, even the 30s overnight tonight. Cold air on the way. 39 tonight in Amory and in Tupelo, 41 in West Point and in Columbus. Be very cold start to the day. And Sunday, a lot colder than today, too. Only into the middle 60s across the area with north winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. Be feeling very much like winter. One last stab in the throat here from winter. 56 in Columbus, 55 in West Point and in Louisville. Very cold across the area. Seeing those temperatures cold even in West Alabama, mid-50s there, and up to the north, seeing those 50s on the board. Cold air sticks around, but not for long. We'll be seeing some warmer air soon. It'll take a while. We may have to deal with some frost Monday morning.
No tornadoes popping off. I told you he just loves to fearmonger. Do you need a mic check? You're welcome. Testing the mic 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Blue.
Mic check 1 2, mic check.